The past week at the Cabrales boatyard has been a blur. The crew accomplished so much in just a short amount of time, but there's no rest for the wicked as we must muscle through and get Basik back in the water where she belongs.
She said I won't be back in a while, don't wait. Already packed her bags, called the cab, made space. And she said I won't answer if you call me when you're lonely. I guess I let her go, never mind, it's too late. Go, never mind, it's too late.
Well, we're getting down to the wire. We've scheduled our launch for, let's see, what is it? 3 days from now. Compass is lit up there. These yard dogs play havoc with him. I think he enjoys it. Guarding the boat for us, well, it's his job. I need to jump on these sail drives. Just do normal maintenance while we're out of the water. Gonna polish up the props, replace the zincs, scuff and put another coat of anti-foul, the Trilux 3.3 on the sail drives, and just kind of get these all tuned up. I'll put it all back together and grease all the fittings, and we should be good to go on these. Here's what Compass is lit up about. The yard dogs. They're in here guarding all the boats. Hey buddy, what's up? Doing your job there? Good boy. Hey, hey, hey. Took our microphone. He probably thought it was a dead cat. Okay, our anti-fouling is down. You know, doing a thorough inspection on our sail drives. After we did the repairs 3 years ago, we have got zero pitting. You know, we've been doing regular maintenance on these and making sure we stay protected with the proper barrier coat. And look at this, no pitting anymore. Everything's just looking clean. I've cleaned up this surface to put new zincs on. Actually, let's take a look at these zincs. You know, we put these zincs on a year ago when we were in La Cruz. We've only been on 3 docks since then. We were in Mazatlan for 4 days, 5 days, went to La Paz for 2 days, and then to Santa Rosalia. We were there a couple of weeks. And look what happened. One of those places had a hot dock, started eating up our zinc. I know it's a hot dock because it didn't happen to the other side, and that's the side we would moor on against a dock. So we're just going to replace these, have fresh ones right here, new bolts, and all the equipment I need to put them on. Compass. Okay, we are in the final stretch. While I'm working on the sail drives, the ladies are reinstalling everything we removed for the paint job. Let's see, how's it going?
Isn't it good? Hello. It's just tight, confined spots.
I know, once we're back in the water, we'll get organized again.
Yeah. That one doesn't match. Isn't it?
We love these Bomar flagship series. Look at, no sealant, just a gasket.
Very nice.
No leak.
Never have they leaked a drop. You just pop them in, take them out. With these all cleaned up, I'm ready to reinstall the props and service those. Got everything laid out over here. Here's our Kiwi props. I've got marine grease with PTFE. Got my grease gun and the tools to do it.
One quick project that we wanted to knock out was to restring the center of our trampolines. Over the last 20 years, there have been multiple temporary repairs made to tension the tramps. This was the perfect time to clean this rat's nest up and do it right.
All the things we do to make the laces run straight.
Gotta be pretty. It's been an eyesore for how long?
Too long.
Okay, there you go. You're all set.
Thank you.
Just take advantage of standing on terra firma while you can.
Are you kidding me? I'm excited to get the heck out of here and back in the water.
I know, but this is a tough one to do, sitting in
I
a
could
dinghy.
do it.
I know you could.
No, I know. This is something that,
It's been bothering you,
yeah. Well, eventually we need to get new tramps.
but for now, this is at least an upgrade. If we always upgrade everything all the time,
Then we never get to sail. I'm just kidding.
There was just enough time to get another project in before we launch. The screens in our cockpit became Penasco dust magnets, and even though the water pressure in the yard is low, it's the best opportunity to give them a thorough scrubbing before we leave. While I was washing them, I had plenty of time to remember back to all the good times that we've had over the last 6 weeks at the Cabrales Boatyard.
So we are about 2.5 hours away from splashing. So we're trying to get everything done that we can before we launch. There's always that checklist that everybody needs to go through. One of it right now is we are getting water, because obviously we can't make water while we're underway, but the water here is amazing. I think it's like 13 parts per million, and they deliver it to you, and it's super cheap. So we're filling up as much as we can, and then that way we don't have to make water for a few days at least. who knows? These guys are awesome. I texted them last night, said that we're splashing first thing in the morning if they can change their schedule. So they don't normally come in until, I don't know, late afternoon. And here he is. So fill it up.
I'm filling it up.
Dang, it's chilly this morning, huh? Everything is nice and stowed. I like a clean boat right before we leave, so that's what we usually do. That way, when we're sailing, there's not that much chaos. Beds are made nice and clean, and those are all the presents for Christmas. Not gonna share with you what those are. And it's just nice to have a clean boat because in about, I don't know, a couple hours, it's going to be tore apart again.
Why?
Because that's just what happens.
Well, I'm going to prime the engines. Because that's what I do.
Meanwhile, Emma is in her room. Whoa, I thought your room was supposed to be clean.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm cleaning
Just
it.
kidding. No, it's fine. Lots to do. Exciting.
Definitely.
Exciting and nervous always for you, right?
For sure. Oy, I'm nervous, but I cannot wait to get back into cruising again. It's been a while since we've just like...
Ooh, it has been too long. Priming the engines. It's happening. All the prep. We marked where the slings are gonna go. And now they're just starting to take all the jack stands down.
We're getting there. You got butterflies?
Yes.
I don't know why.
Emma's like been chomping on gum all morning because it's trying to alleviate her stress.
I don't know why it's so stressful. It's just the what ifs, I guess. What if they drop us? What if we
Don't
sink?
put it out there into the universe. But all this hard work is going to allow us to play a little bit more. Man, she's looking good. All that painting. Like a brand new boat again. Officially on the slings. Compass knows something's going on, and no crackling. The boat is sound, and we are ready. Compass, you ready to get back in the water? No? Yeah, you are, huh? You're doing so good. I know. we are officially in the water, and now Teal is checking our through holes to make sure that there isn't any leaks or anything. That is always something that you have to think about, anticipate, and who knows, sometimes you have to get back out of the water. But yeah, this is nice. Feels nice to be back in the water.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. Our time in Penasco has come to an end, and the crew is so ready to start pushing south. That is, if we can get Basik up and running. A special thanks goes out to our amazing patrons, whose support drives the production of our videos. Join our crew if you can. Come back next week to see how the crew overcomes our launching mishap. See you then!